So I think it's 1-1 now. I think you tied it up right there, Patrick. That was a good one.
Awkward.
I know.
Here we go, stand by.
Hydra indeed. Okay, we all know it's a new song, so big energy the entire time.
Howie Mandel and Carlos Santana.
Happiness, shake up the happiness. It's Christmas time. There's a story that I was told, and I want to tell the world before I get too old. And don't remember it, so let's dissemble it and reassemble it. Oh yeah, once upon a time in a town like this, a little girl made a great big wish to fill the world full of happiness and be on Santa's magic list. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Oh, oh, oh. Ho, ho, ho! It's Christmas time. At the same time, miles away, a little boy made a wish that day that the world would be okay. And Santa Claus would see him say, I got dreams and I got love. I got my feet on the ground and family above. Won't you send some happiness with my best to the rest of the people of the East and the West? And maybe every once in a while you give my grandma a reason to smile. 'Tis the season to smile. It's cold, but we'll be freezing in style. And let me meet a girl one day that wants to spread some love this way. We can let our souls run free, and she can open some happiness with me. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. I know you're out there. I hear your reindeer. I see the snow where your boots have been. I'm gonna show them so they will know that their love will grow when they believe again. Shake it up, shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. It's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. It's Christmas time.
Merry Christmas.
Awesome job, everybody. Let the director make some notes.
Yeah, great job. Everyone, give it up for Patrick for singing that live. Live singing. That's how we do it. Fantastic work, everybody. So, a few things going on. We want to keep those pom-poms in the air the entire time. That's what we want to see. What we don't want to see in the air are your cell phones and your cameras. Look at these cameras. These cameras are incredible. Our camera operators are even better, so let us do all the hard work. All you have to do is enjoy this. Enjoy this experience. So put your cell phones away, put the cameras away. Let us do all that work for you. Keep your pom-poms in the air. If your hands are empty, keep your hands up in the air. That sounds great. Hey, I have a couple of ideas, okay? We heard that song. We know how it goes. There's a point towards the end where Patrick hits that awesome note. Wow! When he does that, we should all explode with excitement, right? That's pretty fantastic. Let's practice that. Pretend that I'm Patrick, that I can sing, okay? That's it. That's right. That's good. So in the very end, he was over here, he's serenading us all those whoa-oh-ohs. Well, so why don't we sing that with him? Here's the lyrics. Oh, you got that? Those are your words. Your words are oh. Say oh 3 times. So when he sings the oh-oh-ohs, let's sing it with him. Don't worry if you're a bad singer, because his microphone's the only one that's going to be turned on, okay? So don't sweat any of that. So again, like we're saying, stay behind these yellow lines. Keep those pom-poms in the air. Keep the cell phones and cameras in the pockets. Keep the energy high. We'll sing the oh-ohs. We'll go crazy when he hits that note. What is that note? Like an H flat? That's a fantastic note. I was watching on the monitor back there with my buddy Carlos, and we said, that lady's a giant. Then I realized it was a girl sitting on her dad's shoulders, and she's not a giant at all. Yeah, there it is. You guys look fantastic. So, of course, we are back there. We're watching you the entire time. You're looking really good. So that's how we know we want more of those pom-poms. We want a lot more movement out of them, okay? Because there's a difference. If I hold the pom-pom, there it is. It exists. If I shake the pom-pom, oh, now it's rocking. Now it's rolling. Now, there's a lot of people out here. The best
Okay, here we
way...
go. Stand by. We're going to do that song one more time.
You got you.